Want to start gathering resources fast in LEGO Fortnite? Let's build the Pickaxe and Forest Axe. Super easy. First, go to your crafting bench. To build the pickaxe, you need at least 2 wooden rods, 1 claw, and 6 granite. Granite is found in small gray rocks. Hit those. You'll need to convert them to granite slabs though, so be sure to process them in the stone breaker first. You can grab claw from wolves, and wooden rods can be processed from wood. To build the forest axe, grab 5 wood. 3 wood for the head and 2 wooden rods as to the handle. Now go to your crafting bench, select the tools, and craft both. Congratulations! Now you're ready to chop and mine like a pro. You can always substitute the materials for the head with rarer materials to craft even better items. And that's it. Tools built, resources flowing, and your LEGO Fortnite world just got a whole lot easier. Hit that like if this helped, and subscribe for more quick LEGO Fortnite tips. I'll catch you in the next one.